Today's show is sponsored by Electricom. Contact them at 812-723-5941.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for September 13th. The French Lick Scenic Railway is holding auditions for the Polar Express. You must be 13 years or older to be considered for a role. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Kickball intramural sign-up forms have been sent in your email. Get your teams together or sign up as an individual and be placed on a team. Sign-ups will end September 27th and games will be played on October 2nd. And now to Payton with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Audrey. Boys varsity football will be away tonight at Perry Central starting at 7:30. On Saturday, girls varsity volleyball will be away at Lagodi starting at 10 a.m. Varsity boys tennis will be away at Crawford on Saturday starting at 9 a.m. Come support all your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Audrey.
And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Looking at the radar today, there is a slight chance of rain today. For today's high, we have a high of 92 and a low of 60. Tomorrow we have a high of 82 and a low of 58. Ending your weekend on Sunday, we have a high of 89 and a low of 65. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.